Have you ever thought that despite having so many search engines, why does Google have a monopoly? Why is Google so popular? The reason is that whenever we type anything on Google, it shows us exactly the related searches. So how does Google know about so many billions of TVs and data? What are the measures and benchmarks that Google uses to check and deliver relevant searches to our audience? The main reason is Google's amazing algorithms, right? Hi viewers, I'm Asma. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. In today's video, I am going to tell you about Google's top 5 algorithms. What are they? When were they launched? And how you can work according to them to boost your website's SEO. When I explained you the working of a search engine in my previous video, I told you that there is a lot of data on the internet. Google's crawler or spider crawls the data and stores it in its local server. Then the indexer of Google divides it into different categories and stores it in its main server. Then, according to the query of the user, it shows the data, images, websites, videos, and many more. All this data is called SERP. We have already talked about SERP in my previous video. I will link that video in the description or at the end of the video. Let's have a look on the work of algorithms. The data that we have after indexing, it is best to show to the user according to the query so that it gets relevant results. The work done in this is by Google's algorithms. Google's algorithms are a complex system and a design according to which Google finds its user and gives relevant results. As an SEO expert, our job is to understand these algorithms and bring changes to our website so that our website is ranked higher when there is a query related to our business throughout the world. Now we are talking about how many algorithms are there. There is not only one algorithm of Google. There are many algorithms, and when the algorithm is updated, Google changes its algorithm. There is such a small change that it is negligible. You won't even be able to notice it. But sometimes there are major changes. Like I will talk about some major changes. First of all, I put Panda in Google algorithms as number one. Panda was algorithm that came in 2011. If I talk about before 2011, what used to happen in websites was that we took content from here and there, copied from another website, and basically what we call it thin content. Thin content means content that has no value. So Google's algorithm said to remove duplicate content and thin content. If there is thin content on a website or duplicate content or keyword stuffing, so Panda algorithm will down rank such a website. It will not give a good ranking, right? It will be blocked. Or if I say that to create more thin content, your website can also be blocked. This update came in 2011, and I would say that this update made a blast in the world of SEO because this approach of SEO changed completely all the data that is available on website. Now what will you do for this? For this, it is obvious that do not use duplicate content. Quality content has to be written by a new content writer. Make sure that whatever content is in your website is not duplicate, plagiarized, or copied from anywhere. Overall, I say that you will have to pay attention to quality content to deal with this algorithm. Next, Google's second important algorithm came, which we called Penguin. Penguin came in 2012 or before 2012, and I would say before 2015 because it came in 2012, but it was implemented from 2015 to 16, and its symptoms started to appear in the actual. Before 2012, people used to create a lot of backlinks, and in backlinks, you make the links of your website on different website. It is called uh, off-page SEO. What used to happen before this is that people used to put a lot of links, create backlinks, that is called link spamming. Then Penguin algorithm came. It basically set to remove link spamming. Any website that is using link in the wrong way is using link spamming. And you can say that those were creating backlinks in an unnatural way. They were downranked. Now here is the question that how will you deal with this algorithm? For this, I don't think I need to say that make quality backlinks. Create backlinks on high authority domains. If your one link is made on a high authority domain and 100 unnatural links are made, they are equal. So make sure that you make less backlinks but focus on quality backlinks. Now Google's third important algorithm comes, which is called Hummingbird. Hummingbird came in 2013, and according to this algorithm, keyword stuffing was stopped. People who are overly putting keywords in their content related to their business, like their keyword is coming in every word, every line, every phrase or paragraph. So here the keyword density was focused a lot. The solution of this is that keep checking your keyword density from time to time and write quality content. Don't do much keyword stuffing, right? Then you will be able to deal with the Hummingbird algorithm and get a good result. Next is Google's very important algorithm, and the name of this algorithm is RankBrain. RankBrain came in 2015, and Google itself had said many times that RankBrain is a very important algorithm and that it is also important for us. So basically, Google's goal in this algorithm was to deliver best relevant results to its users. As I told, why is Google best? Because it gives you a lot of relevant searches. So what does Google expect from us? Tell it honestly what your content is about. How we will deal with Frank Brain. Now the question is, you just have to write relevant content. Whatever keyword you put should be according to user interest or intent. After this algorithm came, the user intent keywords were used, and you should focus on social media reputation. By creating related pages on different social media accounts, you can boost your website even more. That we have related content which is according to the user intent. This is a very important algorithm for us and for Google itself too. Now, the fifth algorithm updated in 2021, which we called the page experience update. In this update, Google started focusing on what kind of user experience is being achieved when my user is going to a website. We will say that in this update, Google said that whichever website has a good user experience, low loading time, stable pages, and quality content, I will keep that page on a high ranking. Now, the importance of technical SEO has increased. By the way, Google has said many times that improve the page experience so that the user experience should be good. The page should run smoothly and the page load time should be less. There are many algorithms and many updates apart from these, but I took the top 5 which I found important for you guys. And if you think that Google has updated any other algorithm more important than this, then tell me in the comment section. We will meet in our next video. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.